everyone. Are you excited to see another Little Diamondz come out? Because I am. And this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is hot off the presses, another Disney. Yes, this is Minnie's holiday surprise, and she is shaking up the present, trying to figure out what Mickey or Donald or her friend Daisy may have gotten her. And I don't know. Let's check out what this Diamond Art Club kit is all about. And these Sparkle Pals, let me know, what Sparkle Pals do you have? Because I have a couple of the Harry Potter, I have a couple of the Peanuts. So in love with these little Sparkle Pals, putting them all over the place, absolutely loving it. On the back, it shares everything that you needed is included. It gives you still the wonderful DAC lifetime warranty, the diamond spill insurance, that they are resin diamonds. Even though these are small kits, they are mighty in what you get. I'm going to pause as I open the packaging for you so you do not have to hear the crinkle crinkle. Be right back. Okay, here we are. We're gonna flip this open, and inside it tells you everything the kit includes. You get the Sparkle Pal herself, the baseboard. You get the diamonds, the twist pack applicator with wax and multi-placers, the tray with lid and stopper, and the famous 15 resealable baggies. Doop, flip, there she is. And then up here, it shows how it works. And to collect them all, there are two Christmas friends. You've got Minnie and you've got Santa Mickey. So let's take this out of the staple and see what's in here. Absolutely. Minnie, you are doing fabulous there, girlfriend. All right, what I love about these toolkits with these minis is that you get everything, right? I can't say that enough. You get the smaller trays. They are stackable. I love to keep these trays after I do the smaller kits because they are great for the larger kits when I have lots of confetti. I can do multiple different colors and have them stacked here. I can put the stickers on the side, know exactly what colors are in here, have them laid out or have them stacked. Absolutely fabulous. I love that Diamond Art Club does not skimp on giving everyone a tray. And inside you get your multi-placer and a wax. You also get a putty if you prefer the clear putty. Love that it's clear so that the residue is not all in your face. And then here, not that it leaves residue, but sometimes you do press a little too hard because I'm a press harder person, and it just is a fact of life. And then here is your twisty pen. You twist it, it's already in there, and it pops out the end. And then here is your multi-placer. You can fill with your putty or your wax. I love that these all come in the kit, so if you misplace yours, you can grab another toolkit because I can't help but buy from DAC. So there's always a toolkit looming around if I misplace my, what do they call it? I keep saying pen, but it's technically a twist and pick applicator. Gotta get it right. Okay, so this is the thank you for your purchase. Sadly, we don't get a card, but that's okay because these are going to be your smaller priced items, but you do get 20% off your first app purchase for the newbies out there. Also, you can join the Facebook group, and it shows you how to do it if you're introducing a friend to diamond painting. Here are your drills or your diamonds, and here is Minnie. She is safely wrapped up in bubble wrap. Mickey does not want her to get damaged. Okay, so she is one-sided. She does not want to show off her little tail end. She only wants to show off her best side right now. So it does have a plastic to protect the poured glue. Now, it does not have a sticker sheet because you are going to be placing based on the number on the drill packaging, which I will be showing you in just a minute. You're going to be pulling off the plastic to uncover the glue, and then that is going to help you place your drills. Okay, so this is her. You can see the symbols are super clear, and they are numbers. Fantastic. I love this. Solid. It's not flimsy plastic. Here is your base, and you're going to put her in the base when you are finished. And then here is your drill packet. And open these drills up. They are super sparkly. They are round. And it looks like there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 colors. So we have red, and then we've got an AB. Got black, green, like a tan, a pink, a gray, another pink. We've got a white AB and a green color. So 2 ABs. All right, so looks like one of the ABs is number 1. That's going to be kind of at the bottom and at the top. So it's going to be outlining. And then the other AB is all the white. So that's going to be number 7. So that's going to be the outside, the top of her glove and the top of the hat. The inside of the glove and the outside is gray. All right, so that's so cool. Okay, I'm looking at these. So yes, you're just gonna match up. So like number 12, that's the green here on the gift package. So number 12 is here. So you're going to match it to the number 12 on the package and the number 12 on her outfit. 5 is the number 12, or 5 on her face. 10 is on the package. So you're going to match 10 with the package. 8 is on her glove. So you match the 8. 9 is on the gift bow. So you'd match that. 7 is that AB. So that's in the eyes and here on the hat. And then 11. 11, look at that. 11 is 4 things on the top of the package. And look at how many 11s they gave you. So I don't think you're going to run out of 11s. So you're good there. So yeah, this is super cute. I think you are going to have a fabulous time with Minnie. So I hope that you pick up this Lil Diamondz Sparkle Pal called Minnie's Holiday Surprise. So let me know if you enjoyed this sneak peek. Let me know what Lil Diamondz that you have down in the comments below. And I hope that you have a fabulous Christmas in July. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.